Want me to read that book? Bring it here. Say book, please. Say book, please. Book, please. Say please. Oh, here, try again. Here, sit down. Say book, please. Say book, please. Waverly, here's a book. Say book, please. Please, book. Yeah. Oh, you want me to read the book so bad. Can you say book, please? Please. Okay, we'll go with please. All right, all right, all right.